Hi everybody, my name's Sam Swift, otherwise known as By Deco on Instagram, and today I'm going to show you another easy turban tutorial, this time to go with your hair if you're having it styled down. So it might be perhaps you don't want to wear a hat or you don't think hair flowers would be appropriate, but you still want something that will bring your outfit together. This is where hair scarves can come in handy. So other tutorials that I've done, I've used like a jersey fabric because that gives a really good grip if you're doing a full hair turban, but today I'm going to use something slightly different. This is more of a rayon fabric and it's actually a scarf, but it works really nicely with the tutorial for this tutorial. Also, if you can get hold of a scarf that's got a little bit more detail, so maybe it's more brightly patterned or you can get some with tassels on the end, that would be really good. I just think it adds another dimension to the style. So with this one, what we're going to do is to find the center point of our fabric. So just hold it in half, find that center point, and then we're going to put that under the hair like so and bring above the head like this. And then at the top, we're going to cross the fabric over like so, and then we're going to give it a twist. Okay, like that. Then what we're going to do is bring on the left hand side, bring that under the head, and on this right hand side we're going to twist that fabric around so we get more of a roll. And then you're going to bring the fabric both to your right hand side, and at this point you can cross the fabrics over. So tie them in a knot. Try not to catch your earrings or your hair in there, like so. Once you've got it in place, just give it a pull, and there you have it. And then you can obviously style your own hair around what you've done there. So you'll see we have nice pleating on this side, and then a nice twist on the opposite side. And if you feel you want a bit more security here, you can always add a pin. To me it feels perfectly fine, but that gives you a really nice different alternative way to wear a headscarf, but it means you can still have your hair down, but just gives a little bit extra va-va-voom, if you like, to your outfit. So I hope that's useful for you. Let me know what you think, and I look forward to seeing you again soon.